Hey guys, this is Kalam here. Then in this video, we are learning how to create an ads using AI in just 2 minutes. So if you are beginner, don't worry, keep watch full video. I guarantee you, if you are watching full video, you are able to create ads using this AI. This link I will attach in the description below. When you click, you are redirected to this website. Then you can see this is a dashboard. You need to log in here. Just put your Gmail. This is enough for everything. So I just click project. Just click here. One click. This is enough. Then choose your file. But you are creating ads. You don't have any video. Just create this one. Just then select template. Has lots of and tons of template. You can choose anyone. It's absolutely free. Example of I want to create Black Friday ads. Here the lots of 45 ads are free. Example of this one. Wow, this is a square mode landscape and portrait. So I want to create landscape. Then use this template. Then I want to create here. Wow, I want to give 15% discount. Then this is I want to check again here. Then rotation. Okay, this is good. This is I want to more size. Example of 13. I want to pixel. Wow. I want to 29 November. Then you can see here the no animation. So I want to add an animation. This text. Just click here. Then wow. Just animation. Then feed in. And wow, this is good. Then again go to animation. Then zoom in. So I want to play again on something. Wow. So if you want to download this video, just click done. Then export video. Then choose your again click this icon. Then your video then MP4. Then your video are downloaded. This is an easy method. So if you want to more video, please subscribe my channel. Turn on notification bell. See you again. Bye.